Hello, Gabriel. Thank you so much for allowing us in your facility yesterday. We did bring all the samples back that you gave us, and we did some testing. So we're going to pan over here with the camera so you can see your products. But anyways, I tried the HD78 that I mentioned yesterday, but it was too tough because it gets stuck. The wires are still big. So now we're going to pan over here. When you get too big, you're not going to be able to fit like you want to in the bag. This is your sample, which looks really nice and uniform, and that's the way it should be, I believe, and that's what you want. So even though I stretched it out this far, and I can stretch it out even farther, it does not fit properly in our machine, and I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, this is the HD78 that I was talking about yesterday, and I'll take this twist tie off and tie it with it, or try to tie it with the HD78. And it doesn't tie it, see? Or it's too big, one or the other. So that's one of the problems that I have. And then I'll try another one of the twist ties here. Try to go back in. See, it's really tight even going in. So that's kind of what happens, and it gets stuck. So I'm not going to recommend the HD78 at all. What I am going to do, I'm going to show you another option, but first I do want to mention that the XL2 that you currently have at your facility, I think is one of your best bets. But I do want to show you the XL8 as well. This is fully pneumatic, there's no electricity, but I want to make sure that you have this other option too. This machine comes on its own pedestal stand, it's got its own nice little table, it's got wheels, you can move it around, and it's air driven 100% again. And I'm going to tie every single product that you gave me. This one, what's great about it, you don't have to make any adjustments at all. It self-adjusts, and it comes with a 4,000 foot spool, which means that you're going to change your spool less as well. You have your activation here, and you also have the option of having a foot pedal. So you can either have a foot pedal if it makes you more comfortable, or you can activate by butting your product against the activation mechanism. So you go in this way, for example, and you have a nice tie. That's one of the products, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and continue tying some of the products. Here's your smallest one, right here. Again, you do the same thing, butt it up. You get a very nice tie. This machine ties 40 ties per minute, basically. I apologize for getting in front of the camera. That's not what I want to do, but I have to reach over. See how very nice it is in uniform? No adjustment needed at all. Here's your cords. Very nice. And take this one as well. We're going to do one of the smaller ones again for you. Okay, and here's one of the smaller ones again. So I'll take this twist tie off, and we'll go in right here. So there you go. Ties every single product, no adjustment. It's air driven, it's got its own stand. It's got a 4,000 foot spool, which means you're going to be changing the spool a lot less, which makes you also more efficient. Other than that, the XL2 will work wonderful, as you know, and you're trying it out right now, so I hope you're liking that machine as well. So once again, thank you. I did try with the HD78. I do not recommend that one. Your cables are a little too thick, the diameter. It's a little bit over 7/8, so it's not going to work on that. But we gave you two great options. Again, the XL2 or the XL8. And that's about it. Thank you so much again for the opportunity. Appreciate it.